Why would I starve myself for 48 hours? Let me tell you, a 48-hour fast is one of the most anti-aging things you can do for yourself. As an entrepreneur, I understand the importance of maximizing our productivity and staying mentally sharp. And I'm going to walk you through, step by step, what's happening to our body during this fast. In the first 4 hours after my last meal, my blood sugar starts to rise and the insulin follows suit. This opens doors to my cells, my brain cells, my heart cell, my muscle cells, and it brings those glucose levels down. Between 4 and 8 hours, my blood sugar is back to normal. By 12 hours, the food in my digestive tract has been now burned. At 14 to 16 hours, my body is now running out of glucose. Insulin levels start to fall and fat burning begins, baby. At 17 hours, the autophagy begins. Now, autophagy means self-eating. My body is cleaning out the damaged cells, removing the dysfunctional zombie cells, and recycling parts of them towards cellular repair and cleaning. It is recycling and cleaning at the same time. It's like hitting the reset button for your body. 18 hours into the glycogen stores in my liver and in my muscles have likely been depleted, so my body can finally burn what's been stored in my fat cells for energy. Now, 18 to 24 hours, glucose is all gone and the body is relying on surging ketones for energy. At 24 hours, the halfway mark, I start to produce stem cells. This will help restore my gut health. Important. 30 to 36 hours, autophagy is surging. A total body cleanup. Now, this is serious cellular healing, especially for neurons. This will help with brain function and cognition. It will also do wonders for my immune system. 36 hours into the fast, human growth hormone surges. This stimulating faster muscle repair and preserving lean muscle mass, enhancing fat metabolism, insulin sensitivity, and inflammation is falling. At the 48-hour mark, I can finally eat again. But what's as important as this fast is how you break the fast. You want to prioritize your protein, eat healthy fat, and fill in with a lot of rich fiber carbohydrates. This is going to help me feel satisfied and help prevent me from overeating after not eating for 48 hours straight. At Texas Institute for Anti-Aging Research, we offer mimicking fasting. You can still eat and get all the benefits listed above. Contact us at our office for more information.